Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. MaMiissy here. Today we are diving into this dreamy light purple shimmer glam look. I already did my brows off camera, so we are going right in to prep my skin with primer. I love going in with my fingers to apply primer onto my skin because it gives me a natural and seamless blend. For this look, I'm going to be using the underpainting method, and I'll start by applying blush to my cheeks and my nose. I'm going to go in with the brush to blend it all out smoothly. Next, I'm going in with a brightening concealer under the eyes, center of the forehead, bridge of nose, and chin. I'm going in with another brighter shade of concealer, and I'm just applying that under my eye and under my nose. Next, I'm applying cream bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks, temples, jawlines, and to the side of the nose. This gives us that sculpted base. As we can see, everything seems to be in place. So I'm going in with my dense brush and I start blending from my cream bronzer. Blending is key in achieving a smooth, flawless base. So you want to take your time to blend everything smoothly. Going in with a small fluffy brush to blend the concealer under my eye. As you can see, I'm taking my time to blend everything out smoothly. When using the underpainting technique, it's very important to use products that do not dry out fast and they are easy to blend. We will just keep blending until everything is blended out smoothly. Have you ever tried using this underpainting technique to do your makeup? If yes, let me know in the comments. I'm going in with a bit of concealer in between my jawline and my cheekbones, and I'll just be using a brush to blend all of that out. Since we underpainted, our base already has a beautiful sculpted look, so I'm just going to go right in with some setting powder to set my under eyes. I'm going in with a small fluffy brush to blend out before I set with setting powder. This is to avoid any creases under the eye. I'm going in with the leftover powder on my powder puff to set the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead with a bit of powder bronzer to touch up where it is needed. I'm going in with some powder blush to add color to my face. I'm going in with some translucent powder to bake my under eye because I want it to be bright. Next on, I'm going in with my all-time favorite matte lipstick to line and define my lips. This is the Beckham Ageless Matte Lipstick in the shade Choco. I'm going ahead to apply this mud brown shade at the center of my lips. Next, I'm applying this nude pink shade at the center of the lips, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that more. Now let's get into the eyes. I'm going in with this concealer to prep my eyes. Next one, I'm going in with setting powder to set my concealer to avoid any creasing. Next one, I'm going ahead to apply this deep brown shade to my crease as my transition color. Blending is key to flawless makeup, so we are going to keep blending out the eyeshadow until everything is blended out smoothly. Next, I'm going in with a lighter brown shade to just apply it on top of the deep brown shade applied. Next, I'm going in with this gorgeous shimmer shade from my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just applying that on my eyelids. Using the leftover on my eyeshadow brush to blend the outer corner of the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going ahead to apply gel liner to my waterline to add definition to my eye and make it prettier. And I'm going in with a small liner at the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just smoking that out with eyeshadow. And I'm using some translucent powder to sharpen my liner. I'm going ahead to apply some gloss to my lips to finish off my makeup look. At this point, we're already looking put together, we're already looking set, and we're already looking gorgeous. I'm going ahead with my powder puff to tap off excess powder under my eye. We can all agree that at this point the makeup is already eating. One thing I love about the underpainting method is that it's lightweight and you don't have to apply so much layers of makeup to your face and you're already looking gorgeous. So I just went ahead to apply my setting spray to set everything together and keep in one place. And here we have our final look. If you watched this video up to this point, I want to say thank you and let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part about this video. See you in my next video. Bye.